Alright, in this video I am going to show you how to create from scratch a page with videos on it that's being pulled in from YouTube. I have showed you in a previous one how to find the playlist number and put that in a script that already exists, but where do you get this all? So we're going to start from the beginning. So here I've created a page that has nothing on it. You can see I just took the WHL full on videos page and erased it, so it's just a test page, there's nothing, so we want to add videos in here. So let's start. So first of all, I know I'm going to have to go to get the video code. So the video code and all Shaw TV website assets are on the Wally server. If you're on a PC and you type this in, you will go to that server. Everybody at Shaw has access to it, and all our website assets are there. So once in there, it will look like this. I'm on a Mac, and it might look a bit different, but you can see there's all the assets. That'll be a form doc template. If you just go about the middle, you see YouTube video scripts, and I already have it opened. You would open it, and it's just a simple document, and you see it has pull in the full station with 8 videos, pull in the full station with 40 videos. If you want to pull in a playlist with 40 or pull in a playlist with 8. This is just example code that you can use. So we are going to want to pull in a playlist with 40, so I know that. So I'll just go down here, and I'm just going to copy this code. Obviously don't copy the title. Command or Control C or right click and copy will do the trick, and that is great. So from there you want to fire back to your example page. Once you get in here, in the show description box, not in the video box, you actually have this turned off, just so you know, because we don't use that format anymore. And the lovelies of Ectron, when you want to right click here, yeah, there you go. You want to right click and you get this edit rich area source, as most of you know. Brings up this box, and then you want to paste. So that's Command V or Control V if you're on a PC, or right click and paste. Then from there we just have to change a few things. So really down here you can see that this it looks like a lot of code, but all you really have to worry about is 2 things. This here where it says show links, this is where the title will link to. So you can see it was Saskatoon. We don't want it to link to Saskatoon, do we? No, we don't. So we'll just put, here will be like WHL full on. That's fine. And then that's under shaw.ca. And then actually this title is... So you would just put the link to wherever your site is. I mean, you can copy it. I mean, I might want to go in the shows page, but I'm just showing you quickly. So you would have it named properly here, and then it would link to full on. Great. From there, really the most important thing is now changing the playlist code. So you can see all this code here. Right after the word playlist, you see the dash. Then you're going to want to put your playlist. The playlist number goes in all the way up here, up until the question mark. You don't want to delete the question mark. You want to paste your playlist code in there. So we have to get our playlist code. I did show you that in another video, but I will show you again quick. I've quickly gone into the WHL Full On site that I actually run off my Shaw TV and just gone into the playlist. Like I said, watch the other video if you want to know more than this. So recently we actually had a change where we used to say up here in the title bar with the URL that you would select everything after the PL. You'll see playlist question mark list equals PL, and then we used to just go from everything after PL all the way up to the ampersand, but actually now we need the PL because Google and YouTube decided to change the way their API worked. So again, just copy that. So PL up to anything including up to the ampersand. Then we go back to our code here, and then I already have this pre-selected, and I'm going to paste it in there. Notice the PL, everything up, no ampersand, question mark. That is all good. The only other thing to remember is right here at the very bottom you see this results equals and a number. It's usually 40 or 8 depending on what you selected. We use the default for 40 videos. I'm going to leave it like that, but that is how many videos you have on the page. I think it maxes out at 52, but 40 is a nice round number. It's 10 rows of 4 as we have displayed, so I would suggest just leaving that. But if this was for a home page or something, you might want to change it to 8 to pull in a playlist. So then all you got to do is you press OK. Oh, sorry, we have There, just press OK again. It was just missing a P tag there. If you see that error, usually if you just press OK again, it'll fix itself. So now we go back to our Ectron page. I can see now where the show description, it has, you see this code icon, and it looks like we have some stuff there. That is great. So then I'm actually just going to save it and preview it. So save and then preview. And then now you can see there was no videos, nothing on that page before, but now WHO full on, and there are all the videos from that playlist, and they do work. So that is good. From there, really, you're done. I would just go back because we just previewed it. We know it's good. You could now publish it. So once published, that would mean it would go live. Obviously, clear your Ectron cache. That cache URL is in also the assets folder if you need it. But that's it. Really, from then on, you're ready to roll. So going forward, if you need any help with that, I highly recommend contacting Timothy Stixma out of Vancouver. He's the one that developed this code, or whomever the online lead is for Shaw TV. It was formerly myself, Darren Scott, but as you know, I am leaving this role. So contact whoever your representative would have been given to you. Thanks, and I hope that helps.